Hi, fifth grade. This is Miss Harvey, and today is Friday, May 8th. We're going to be doing some grammar together. So I'm going to tell you what you need to be ready to watch this video, and then I'll give you some time to gather those materials. So first, you need to have this video open, which of course you do. Next, you need to have the work for Friday, May 8th open in a separate tab, and I'm going to show you how to find that work. You should be in the distance learning folder for fifth grade. Then you go to the week 8, May 4th through May 8th. Click on it. And then we're doing grammar, so you'll click on the grammar folder. And today is Friday, so you'll click on Friday's assignment. It's super important that you're opening this up separate to the video so that you can actually see the questions and do the questions before you watch the video and see the answers. Because it's going to be pretty hard for you to see all of the questions and answers or all of the questions just by looking at the YouTube video. So make sure that you have the packet open so that you can see the questions and answer them on your own. The last two things you need are scratch paper and a pencil to write down your answers. Grab those materials and come back to the video when you're ready. So today in grammar, we're going to be reviewing using and forming possessives. So what I want you to do now is complete the top portion of the worksheet and then go through and complete questions 1 through 6. And then you're going to come back to the video when you have finished all of your questions and you're ready to review answers. So pause the video here to do that now. Okay, let's start by going over the notes on possessives at the top of the screen. Based on what we've learned so far in fifth grade, possessives are used when we want to show ownership of something. To make a possessive, we add an apostrophe and an S to the noun or pronoun. So when you want to show that a subject has possession over another object or anything has possession over a noun or pronoun, you'll add an apostrophe S to the noun or pronoun to show that ownership. And that's called forming a possessive. So in the following examples, they give us words that are in parentheses that we need to use in order to form a possessive. Each of these words are nouns, and we want to show that the nouns have possession over an object. So we're going to add an apostrophe S to the noun to show that possession. We'll do the first two together, and then you're going to check your work against mine. Number 1 says, the blank office let us use this land for the garden. Here, the noun was mayor. So to form a possessive, we rewrote the word mayor and added an apostrophe and an S. So now the sentence says, the mayor's office let us use this land for the garden. Number 2 says, my grandmother's new neighbor is very kind. Grandmother was the noun that was in parentheses. And to make it possessive, we added an apostrophe S to grandmother. Now the sentence says, my grandmother's new neighbor is very kind. Right now I want you to go ahead and check your work against mine for numbers 3 through 6 and come back to this video when you're ready. Okay, you should have finished checking your work for all the questions. So if you feel like you need a conference or you need a check-in and you're really confused about possessives, make sure to check in with your teacher today before you do the exit ticket quiz. The code for today's grammar lesson is lawyer, Lawyer, Lawyer. So again, if you need help, check in with your teacher, get a conference, or go on and complete the grammar exit ticket for today. As a reminder, today is the movie night where we are going to be showing The Lion King. Make sure to finish your work before 5 p.m. so that you can join us. So that means getting your work started early and staying focused all day so that you can join us at 5 p.m. and make sure that all of your work is turned in. see you either later on tonight, or if you're not going to join us, then we'll see you next week.